Analysis expect the value of a share of stock for Hanson Vending Machines Incorporated. It can be modeled by this function. P of t equals 43 minus 25 times e to the negative 0.384 t power. Okay, and where t is measured in weeks. Okay, what do they want us to do over here? Oh, they just want us to find the rate of change function, p prime of t. So, all right, we'll find the derivative function. That will give them the rate of change, how fast of the value of a share of stock for this company is changing at a given time t. Okay, so here comes p prime of t. All right, starting with the first term of 43. What is the derivative of 43? 0. Derivative of any constant is just 0. Now we have to look at this. That exponential term that I am underlining in green, okay? Now, this is an exponential function with base e. So, and we have done several of these, so you probably know the pattern by now. We're going to multiply this negative 25 by this negative 0.384 to get a new coefficient. So go ahead and multiply on your calculator. What is negative 25 times negative 0.384? When I do it on my calculator, I got positive 9.6. So that will be your new leading coefficient. But you have to make sure that you copy down that exponential term exactly the same. So write down e raised to the negative 0.384t. Now, why is this true? Chain rule. Go back and watch a couple more videos on exponential function and their derivatives. This is just plain chain rule, but this is a clear pattern that we've been noticing, so we just keep on using this. Now, we found the answer. P prime of t is, like, I don't really need that 0 in front of it, right? So I can just copy this green term. This is the rate of change function. So when they ask you to use this to find p prime of 6, all I have to do is plug in 6. So they're asking about after week 6, how fast is the value of this share of stock is changing? Is it growing or is it going down? Let's see. 384 times 6. So here we will need a calculator. I'm going to go get a calculator open. I was just using it for another problem here. So I'm doing 3.6 times e raised to the negative 0.384 times 6. So in 6 weeks, the value of a share of stock is increasing by 96 cents per week. Okay, make sure to put the correct unit here. But this problem is not really talking about interpreting this, but looking at how the number came out to be positive, we're looking at a growth. Okay, this is increasing, and the dollar, unit, and say this is per week because t is measured in weeks. So that's it for question number 10.